Well, I'm really overwhelmed. I really don't know what to say. Mrs. Vinita from the NSS officer from St. Agnes College, she told me that I have to speak something. We visited here and it was like all of a sudden decided. Just last week we decided that we are coming here. Suddenly sister told us that NSS unit has to go to Manjeshwar Snehalaya. We didn't know that such a place existed. At least I didn't know. And actually I'm coming from Kasaragod. Daily I'm doing up and down from Kasaragod to Mangalore, working in St. Agnes College. And I never knew that such a beautiful place ever existed here. And it's very touching to see this place. And I'm really very much impressed. And always when we used to listen to the TV programs or whatever other programs where so much they talk about social service, especially these politicians and all, when they talk big things. But I never knew that such a simple man, Mr. Joseph Krasta, when I heard about him, like I really didn't know. I couldn't believe my ears when they said that he was working as something else and then suddenly something he saw and that touched him so much that he started started something like this. It's really very beautiful, sir. You are really doing a very good job, and we are really, it is an inspiration for all the youngsters actually. We always think that we should do something for the society. We always teach such things in the college, but we are only teaching. We have never shown them a living example, but you can be a living example, and especially when you are staying so close. I am really sure that our students are touched by what you are doing, and it's really a very great achievement for everybody, not only for you, sir, for also those people whose lives you have touched. Especially when I saw that what they were before and what they are after, the photographs what we saw, and whatever has been shown here to us, that what they are doing and so much improvement in their lives. It's real human service. This is called social service. I really say that this is called social service, not what the big politicians and big leaders they speak about. And here we have a man like who was so simple in his life, just living a normal life, and suddenly something he saw and it touched him so badly, and it hurt him so badly to see a human being suffering, and he considered that as a turning point in his life, and he took it as a challenge. And it's really a very big challenge what he has taken over, and I'm really very much impressed. I don't know, I don't have words to express my happiness or whatever I should say. I really don't know what to say for this, but it's really very nice. What do you have to say, girls? I'm really very much touched by it, and I'm sure that even our girls, they are impressed, and you really know what is social service. Yes. It is not that just for namesake you just go somewhere and you just do something, some programs and all that, entertainment program and all that, that is over. It's not like that. You have to take sir as an inspiration. You have to look upon him, and I'm sure that now you have his contact number and all that. You will keep in touch with him and try to help him in the social service what he is doing. Really, thank you so much, sir. You are really doing a very great job, a great job in human service and humanity. A real religion. I don't know much about the religion, about spirituality and about all those things, but I think humanity is the best religion, or the best or the topmost religion. And that is what you are doing, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so this is my first experience in any such place like this. I've never visited any trust like this, or any kind of place like this. This is my first time. I actually thought a lot of things when I came here, but what happened after I came here was like something really I don't have any words to express what I feel. So after I came here, what I expected, double that things happened here, and I'm literally very, very happy to be here. And I hope this institution is this trust reaches very high level. And when I came here in the beginning, we had a video, and then Joseph Krasta sir told me that we can find God here. I am a person who has never seen God anywhere. So I saw him in the photos, I worship him, but I have never seen God anywhere. But Joseph Krasta sir, when we came here, he told us that we can see God within them. And today I found God in the Snehalaya place, and I am literally very happy, and I have never received this kind of peace anywhere in my life. No matter where I go, to restaurants might be, or I am really a party person, so whatever I do, I might do anything I want, but this is something very different in my life, and ಇದು ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಮೈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಮೈ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ತಾ ಸರ್, thank you very much, and thank you.
It was truly an amazing experience coming to this place. I never expected an ashram can be like this. Like, I have seen many ashrams, but not in such well-equipped condition. Like, so many things here. I was really shocked to look at the place, and a wonderful job by sir, and it seriously inspires all of us to help the needy. I'm sure all of us will contribute at least little towards the needy people, and thank you so much for giving an opportunity to come here. Thank you.